Still not using AI in your daily work? You're missing out on tools that can save hours and boost your productivity. Completely free. In this video, I'm showing you the top 5 free AI tools you must use in 25 for writing, planning, designing, editing, and more. These tools are perfect for students, creators, freelancers, and business owners alike. Let's dive in! Tool number 1, ChatGPT. First up, the legendary ChatGPT. From writing emails to coding, blog posts, and research, ChatGPT does it all. Use the free version at chat.openai.com. I'm 12. Perfect for learning anything fast. Tool number 2, Notion. AI makes your to-do lists, documents, and project notes smarter. Ask it to write summaries, brainstorm ideas, or even draft blog outlines. All inside your workspace. Pro tip: use it to write meeting notes or generate content calendars in seconds. Tool number 3, Gamma.app. Need to create beautiful presentations instantly? Gamma turns your idea into a slideshow using AI. No design skills needed. Just type your topic and it builds your deck. Great for current students, freelancers, and online educators. Tool number 4, Opus Clip. Have long videos. Use Opus Clip to automatically create viral short-form clips. Ideal for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikToks. Smart tip: it uses AI to find the best moments and adds captions for you. Tool number 5, Perplexity AI. Perplexity is like Google plus ChatGPT. It gives real-time search results with cited sources. Use it for research, summaries, or quick learning. Perfect for students and researchers who want fast, credible answers. Want to automate your entire day? Try combining ChatGPT with tools like Zapier or Notion AI. You'll get smarter workflows, less burnout, and more time to focus. Please tell me, which tool was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to AIDyansh for weekly videos on AI tools, smart productivity, and how to automate your digital life, one tool at a time. Link to all tools in the description below.